I don't know, what, 10 minutes?
Alright, first step. We already know, guys. Done.
Well, that was easy.
Airbag, bro.
Done.
Airbag done.
Alex, this is a one-man job, bro.
Okay, hopefully this breaks easily.
Dude, I'm so tired.
Feels like my Volvo wheel, to be honest.
Yeah, you should
Dude, it's gonna be easier than we did mine, though.
It's fine.
Look at how
I don't know,
long
mine's
that
kinda
shit
small, like,
is,
mine's
bro.
smaller than
Oh
this.
wait, I have to lock the
Same material, basically.
Yeah.
Wait.
It is locked.
It like rubs off though.
No way.
Dude, what?
I can do it like
that
hand,
ain't good,
bro.
bro. That's not
Dude, that
good.
all the Omar, all those nights we were toe getting, bro. I
Yeah,
could have just ripped my steering wheel off.
hand tight, bro.
Yep.
That's not good. That's like the worst thing ever.
It just comes off and it's like, oh shit.
Wait, what else I need to take?
Now you know you just pull it.
Oh god,
What
what was that? What was that called?
Did you do that spring?
I don't think you need it.
Alright. So how does this go on?
Oh.
Like that. No, other way, you idiot.
Oh, really? Oh, my bad.
Wait, so am I driving this, or I'm gonna you then?
Sure. Why
Alright,
need
let me
this?
get on my car.
I mean, might as well just leave it there,
Right? Okay. I don't know.
right? It's not gonna get in the way, right?
Wow. Nice.
Hey.
Oh, fuck the camera,
Don't,
dude. Jesus
don't
Christ.
expose my car like that. Just like that, right?
Oh, God. Move the shroud up a bit. That should look funny. It should go in more, right?
No, I think that's it.
No way.
real?
It's not flush at all, dude.
I don't think it's supposed to be though, cause
Alright, do it. Just do it.
I think it doesn't. It literally doesn't go in
Okay,
anymore.
let's do it then.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no way the motor's busy.
Yeah, exactly. You need a quick release to have them.
Oh, yeah, because of the bolt. Yeah, you're right.
I'll get a quick release though. Don't worry, guys.
What happened to the other one? It was back ordered? I thought you said you got the last one.
No, I last one of this and the last one of this wheel.
Oh, wasn't the quick release one with the cool like Japanese font on it?
Yeah, that was back ordered though. But they have those.
Is this the sound system?
Hey, bro, why are you exposing my car like this? All right. Nobody asked.
You can go back in the vents.
I remember when we got the car, that shit was hilarious. We were like, what the fuck is that wire?
The amount of random shit we found in this car, bro.
Still don't know what that switch does.
What switch?
That switch in the fucking center console.
It doesn't do it. Oh, you're right. It is hooked up to something though. You're right.
How tight is that supposed to go?
Dude, we should just tighten
Should
it
you
as
have just
much
taken the
as we
shroud
can.
off?
No.
Nah, it would look so bad, dude.
Rattle.
It's
It's always been
it's been
rattling,
like
though.
that though,
Nah.
right?
It hasn't been that loose though.
No, it definitely has. Trust me.
Bro?
We just sit
Wait, I think we're doing something wrong.
Yo, put,
Why?
Because what if we're not aligned? So now my steering wheel's gonna be like this.
no, that's not. You do it. No. Because it fits into the grooves, right?
Through so you can rotate it.
Then just put the steering wheel on where it's lined up.
So this should be tight though, right?
Yeah. Fuck the camera. We're going to recycle.
22 foot-pounds of torque, Omar.
Do it.
Remember what I said in my last video?
Open this door out.
Torque specs are in my mind.
Yeah.
Alex, open the door.
Spencer in your mind.
Thank you, sir.
What if I just break the fuck out of this thing?
Oh,
Ooh, okay, I don't know how. Okay, I think that's 22 foot-pounds, bro.
that felt like 22 isn't that much. I mean, you just gotta undo it and then like realign it.
You need that quick release, bro. Look at how close you are to the everything else.
Oh shit. No, that's just ass, bro.
Hold on. Hit the button! I need the quick release! Hey, let me borrow a quick release.
What the fuck?
You're right, I do need a quick release. I gotta order one. Alright, the install's gonna have to wait, guys. The install's gonna have to wait.
Looks like you ain't driving the car unless you put the other one back
Yeah, you could put the old one on.
on. I mean,
This one.
cause this one, what is that?
Oh, hey, let me see it.
I'm just worried, will the quick release, how far out though?
It'll be good enough.
That's better.
It's definitely better, at least it's
Yeah,
drivable.
Look how ugly this looks, though. Alright, give me my hardware.
Where the fuck is it?
It's in
The
the
box.
one of the boxes.
Dude, that short hub is short. That shit is short.
Wait, sorry, now I do have to loosen it, right?
Why? It's fine though.
Why?
It's aligned.
Yeah, but then this is my car straight right now.
No, that's your steering wheel was locked when you took it off.
guess.
That's why it's like we could figure that out.
Let's see about that much.
God. Oh no! Mitchell, this, Mitch, bro, this is all your fault, bro. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh no, I dropped more. Oh no, wait, Omar, hold this.
Dude, you are the dumbest fucking dude.
Ain't no way.
Like 3 of them are down here. Like I just picked up 2. They just picked up 2. Great video. One's on you.
Oh.
You gotta take the seat out, bro.
Wait, what the fuck is this?
I don't know what this was. How many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dude,
Yeah,
you are the dumbest fucking.
It's not that hot. It's like if you stand still for too long, like
The sun.
you just feel it. Yeah. It's not humid though.
That's on my wheels. So no one's doing my
I'd
wheels.
rather have it be humid than the sun. Like
Yeah, you weren't here when me and Omar went through the fucking.
yeah, David seat is not that bad. It's just like when the sun is like
To get my old, to get the old lug nuts off.
Maybe they're for something else.
I think the length of that
was
threads
the
are
hub
different,
supposed
though.
to have any other?
So I think by the time you reach max, like it won't stick
No,
out.
because I was hand tightening it and I felt like it had more compatibility. So
I don't know. They wouldn't make it where it wouldn't work though. There's got to be something. Alright guys, it's been a long time since I picked up the camera. So, where we left off, I installed the WORKSBELL short hub, which is right here. Turns out that the WORKSBELL wheel that I got wouldn't fit without a quick release, or else every time I turned the wheel, it would hit the signal buttons right here. So as a placeholder, I put this random NRG wheel that I had in until my quick release came. Alright guys, so here my WORKSBELL quick release finally came in. So we're gonna install this along with my WORKSBELL steering wheel. Alright guys, hopefully you guys can see everything through the tripod setup. So I'm gonna start by taking out all these bolts. Okay. So this is actually the Yoshioka, I think is what it's called, special edition, quick release. So this is why WORKSBELL. It's just a special edition quick release. So I got that. So the hub you guys see inside is actually a FC specific short hub, and that's actually a discontinued part, so now they only have like the universal long hubs. But it turns out that Evasive, where I got it from, they actually had like leftover stock of a small amount of those, because they're discontinued, but they ended up just letting me get that one anyway. So this is actually a WORKSBELL wheel, like WORKSBELL themselves made this wheel. It's I believe it's called the Type 3 WORKSBELL wheel, and this was actually the last one in stock that Evasive had in their warehouse over in Japan. So I actually got the last one over from Evasive's Japan stock. So I waited a while for this, but yeah, this is really dope. I have the button for it too. I'll show you guys that. So this is the button. Pretty simple. Just says WORKSBELL on it. Pretty dope. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Pretty cool. WORKSBELL hub, WORKSBELL quick release, WORKSBELL steering wheel.